common fashion mistakes that are aging you. We all want to look youthful, but you might not realize there are certain things in your closet that's actually making you look older. Today, let me go over everything with you so that you know what to avoid and what to wear. Let's get right into it. The number one mistake, not cinching your waist. This is very common, especially as we get older, we gain weight, we no longer have the small waist we used to have. And it happens to everyone, including myself. So it's very tempting to try to wear loosely fitted clothes to hide that. But the thing is, when you're not defining your waist, your entire body looks wider and stocky. And this makes you look heavier and older. The same dress, once I add a belt to define my waist, immediately you're gonna see a night and day difference. And if you're like me, don't have a natural waist, the best way is to go with A-line shaped dresses and let the silhouette of the dress to give you that subtle waist definition. One of the major mistakes that a lot of women are making is to wear outdated shoes. This can instantly make you look 10 years older. And this normally happens when we're looking for walkable shoes because traditionally, walkable shoes are not that stylish. That's the reason I have partnered with Vivia for this video. This section is sponsored by Vivia. I have partnered with them before, and ever since I tried on their shoes, they have become my go-to brand for chic but functional shoes. Not only every single pair I received is extremely comfortable, but also they make all of their products from recyclable materials. Starting from Lee, this is my favorite because I have a lot of summer functions coming up and I will be wearing feminine outfits. And the slender toe shape of Lee is perfect to go with all of my dresses and jumpsuits. A lot of you have mentioned in the comments that you're staying away from pointed toe shoes because you can't walk in them. I'm also very selective about pointed toe shoes because my feet are wider. With this pair, it's made of elastic material, so they're not squeezing my toes at all and I can walk in them for a long time. Another pair of feminine shoes I got, Yafa. I love how stylish this is. This is the kind of summer loafers I've been looking for. The best part, the insole absorbs sweat. With my summer outdoor events, I'm sure I will be standing and walking a lot. But with these shoes, I don't have to worry about sweating in my feet. I've also found a perfect solution for my summer vacations to the theme parks, which involves hours and hours of walking. These arch support sandals from Vivia. Because these cushions are thicker, I feel like the pressure on my feet are distributed more evenly, and that's why it feels so comfortable. And because these are made of breathable fabrics and they're super lightweight, I can officially replace my sneakers with these sandals because this, I can walk in them all day without feeling tired in my feet. Make sure to visit Vivia website today and use my discount code Petite12 for 12% off your order. The next mistake is not very obvious, and I just noticed this myself recently. Matching jewelry set. When you are looking for jewelry, it's very tempting to go with a matching set. But the thing is, if you are wearing them in your everyday outfits, they can very easily make you look older. Unless you are dressing for a formal occasion where a matching set will enhance each other. This will go with the venue, and because you're dressing for formal event, you are supposed to look glamorous and look formal. Otherwise, in your everyday outfit, this look way too overdressed and looks like you're trying too hard. This is why it can make you look rigid and therefore make you look older than you are. The next mistake, pleated pants. I have pleated pants myself. Here's a pros. They can hide your tummy. If you carry weight in your midsection like myself, pleated pants can make that less obvious because it has extra fabrics. Now, here's a cons. Because it has to accommodate all that extra fabrics, a lot of the pleated pants have a longer crotch, and that is aging. And this is a very common design. If your pleated pants happen to be narrow leg shape, this will make your crotch looks really low, which not only makes your legs look shorter, but also make you look older. The solution? Go with straight leg or wide leg pleated pants. They can still hide your tummy, but they don't have the same noticeable low crotch like the narrow leg. The next mistake, Printed pants. These are very popular, especially in the summer. A lot of us love to wear palazzo pants and many of them come with loud, all over prints. But here's the thing, these pants are loosely fitted, have no shape, and they're very unflattering. But the leg shape is not the only issue. Even if these pants are fitted, still very hard to look good on anybody. Because they're so loud, you're probably only gonna be able to wear it with a very simple, solid top. But the more you do that, the more the attention is going towards all those loud, big prints. So unless you're wearing this as a cover-up by the swimming pool or on the beach, and you just want something comfy and don't really care about anything else, then you're better off without these pants. Now let's talk about layering. Layering is hard for women of all age groups, and this is where we are very easily be making mistakes that are aging us. Cardigans. I love cardigans. They're the essentials when the weather turns colder. But because this is a type of garment that has been around forever, you need to be very selective. Look for cardigans with elevated design. Gold buttons, contrasting borders. These are the newest design and they've been very popular for the last couple of seasons. Look updated and look trendy. On the other hand, stay away from any cardigans that look too basic and too plain. These look old school and they can easily make you look 10 years older than you actually are. Make sure you are choosing the right length for your layers. I've always noticed mid-length layer, those that reach your mid-thighs, are very easy to make you look older. Besides, this length is very hard to style. Even though this is the most common length for outerwear, that they can very easily make your legs look cut off. If you are already short like myself, I'm 5'2". This is the least flattering length. No matter what kind of outerwear we're talking about, jackets or cardigans, my go-to are the cropped length. This length is most flattering for women of any body shape and any height. This is gonna make your entire outfit look more chic. Last but not the least, capri pants. This is another major mistake that will instantly make you look older. I have mentioned this in my other videos because I have to say it again. Stay away from this length pants. The major issue is they end on your mid-calves, which is a very awkward spot for most of us. This is the widest part. You never want to draw attention there. Instead, you want your pants to be at least reaching your ankles. Ankles are the smallest part of your legs and they're very delicate. So when you're showing your ankles, you look more feminine. Have you noticed? Most of the items I mentioned today are casual clothes. If you feel like you look worse when you're wearing casual clothes, you are not alone. Most of us feel that way, myself included. And there is a reason for that. Watch this video, why you look bad in casual clothes and how you can look 10 times better instantly in your everyday casual outfits. I'll see you in this video.